It's time to check and see if all our hard work paid off. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. We did it. We did it. We did it together. Look at it. Nice and green. This is what you want to see. Absolutely. Got some spots. That's okay. You know I dedicated the front yard playlist to my mother. This is for you. Thank you for everything. I know you're watching. You know, I think the peat moss caused some of these spots. It was real lumpy. Probably stopped some of the seeds from germinating. Lesson learned. Go with what works. You don't always have to experiment. All right, mulch bed. Let's take a closer look. And you know what I'm looking for first? The chrysanthemums. You guys, that's it. That's it. You're out of here. You're done. Look, I don't want to hear it. I gave you another chance and you blew it. You blew it. Man, this looks good. Really does. Let's take a look at the other side, see what's going on. Don't worry about these spots. I'll overseed and fix this. It's not an issue. You just don't want it to look dead. You want to see as much green as you possibly can. Over here, look at the begonias. My God. Wow. Really growing, thriving. Guess I made the right decision on bringing them over here. They need shade. They get enough water. Oh, yeah. Again, this is what you want to see. The fence. It's great. Let me show you what I did to that chain link. I had to get some lag screws. Almost cut it too short. Barely made the cut, if you know what I mean. Got to clean this up. Go out with a bang. You guys do know that I painted the brick with that masonry paint, right? Just wanted to remind you. Okay, let's come back. All right, moving forward. You know what I realized? You only need about 3 annuals in the big pots. They grow. And the smaller ones, 1 annual. When I was doing a little maintenance, I realized you don't need to put 2 or 3 annuals in the little pots. It's unnecessary. It's not enough space anyway. What else? Oh, I added another camera. I think it's useless because I can't download the videos to my phone. So what good is it? After the cut, this is what Whitley Green is all about. Dedicated to my mother. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.